Hello everyone, myself Nidhi Saxena. I am the training from District Institute of Education and Training from Faridpur, Bareilly. In this video, we will learn about 5 generations of computer. Generations of computer. The computer has evolved from a large-size simple calculating machine to a smaller but much more powerful machine. The evolution of computer to the current state is defined in terms of the generations of computer. That means previous computers were large in size and now they became smaller and smaller. First generation's computers. The time period is from 1940 to 1956. The first generation computers used vacuum tubes for circuitry and magnetic drums for memory. They were often enormous and taking up entire room. First generation computer relied on machine language. In simple word, we can say first generation's computer used vacuum tubes. They were large in size and they used machine language. IBM 701, IBM 650 are some examples of first generation. Advantages of first generation's computer. It was only electronic device, first device to hold memory. Disadvantage: too bulky, that is large in size, vacuum tubes burn frequently, they were producing heat. Second generation computers. The time period is from 1956 to 1963. In these second generation computers, transistors replaced vacuum tubes and unshared in the second generation of computer. High level programming languages were also being developed at this time, such as early versions of COBOL and Fortune. They were also the first computer that stored their instructions in their memory. IBM 1620 and UNIVAC are the examples of second generation computers. Advantages of second generation computers. Size reduced considerably, they were very fast, very much reliable. Disadvantages: they overheated quickly in maintenance problems. Third generation computers. The time period is from 1964 to 1971. In this generation, the development of the integrated chip was the hallmark of the third generation of the computers. Transistors were miniatured and placed on silicons called semiconductors, allowed the device to run many different applications at one time. IBM 360, Honeywell are the examples of third generation computers. Third generation computers. Advantages: ICs are very small in size, improved performance, production cost cheap. Disadvantages are ICs are sophisticated. Now fourth generation computers. The time period is from 1971 to present. The microprocessor brought the fourth generation of computer as thousands of integrated circuits were built onto a single silicon chip. The Intel 4004 chip developed in 1971 located all the components of the computer from the central processing unit and memory to input-output controls on a single chip. Fourth generation computer also saw the development of GIUs, the mouse and handheld devices. Star 1000, Cray XMP are the examples of fourth generation computers. And in last fifth generation computers, the time period for fifth generation computer is from present and beyond. Fifth generation computing devices based on artificial intelligence are still in development, though there are some applications such as voice recognition. The use of parallel processing and supercomputer is helping to make artificial intelligence a reality. The goal of fifth generation computing is to develop devices that respond to natural language input and are capable of learning and self-organizing. Examples for fifth generations are desktop, laptop, etc. So here it is the overview of generations of computers. Thank you.